Hi, this is part 4 of Unit 2, and in this part we are going to be looking at economic order quantity. So, I repeat, we are doing cost accounting, Unit 2, part 4 for the BCom CA students, and here we are covering economic order quantity, EOQ. EOQ is the order quantity that minimizes total inventory, carrying costs, and ordering costs. Ordering costs are costs that are incurred on obtaining additional inventories. They include costs incurred on communicating the order, transportation cost, etc. Carrying costs represent the costs incurred on holding inventory in hand. They include the opportunity cost of money held up in inventories, storage costs, spoilage costs, etc. The formula for economic order quantity, that is EOQ, is as follows. EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by O multiplied by Q divided by C to the whole square root, where EOQ is equal to economic order quantity, O is equal to order cost per order, Q is equal to annual quantity required in units, C is equal to carrying cost per unit per annum. Example: the annual consumption of a part X is 5,000 units. The procurement cost per order is $10 and the cost per unit is $0.5. The storage and carrying cost is 10% of the material cost. You are required to calculate the EOQ for the above example I just read. So the solution is as follows. O is equal to $10, Q is equals to 5,000, C is equal to $0.5 multiplied by 10%. EOQ, therefore, the formula for EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied with O multiplied by Q divided by C to the whole square root. So EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by 5,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 10% to the whole square root. And that answer is equal to, EOQ is equals to 14,014, that is 1,414 units is the answer. EOQ is equals to 1414 units, 1,414 units. Problem 1. Problem number 1. Calculate economic order quantity EOQ from the following: annual consumption 6,000 units, cost of ordering ₹60, carrying cost ₹2. The solution is also given. EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by RU multiplied by OC divided by UC multiplied by CC percent. Therefore, EOQ is equals to 2 multiplied by 6,000 multiplied by 60 divided by 2. Problem number 2. From the following particulars, calculate the economic order quantity EOQ. Annual requirements 1600 units. Cost of materials per unit rupees 40. Cost of placing and receiving one order rupees 50. Annual carrying cost for inventory value 10%. The solution for this is EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by RU multiplied by OC divided by UC multiplied by CC percent to the whole square root. Therefore, EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by 1600 multiplied by 50 divided by 40 multiplied by 10% to the whole square root. And now we go to problem number 3. Problem number 3. Wait a minute. What am I doing? Excuse me. I just read problem number 2, I believe. So yeah, problem number 3. Calculate EOQ Problem number 3. Calculate EOQ from the following. Consumption during the year is equals to 6,000 units. Ordering cost rupees 12 per order. Carrying cost 20%. Selling price per unit rupees 20. The solution EOQ is equal to 2 multiplied by RU multiplied by OC divided by UC multiplied by CC percent to the whole square root. Therefore, EOQ is equal to 2 into 600 units into 12 divided by 1 into 10% to the whole square root. Problem number 4. A manufacturer Problem number 4. A manufacturer buys certain equipment from suppliers at rupees 30 per unit. Total annual needs are 800 units. The following further data are available. Annual return on investments 10%, rent, insurance, storing per unit per year rupees 2. Cost of placing an order rupees 100. You are required to find the EOQ. The solution is as follows. EOQ is equal to 2 into RU into OC divided by UC into CC percent to the whole square root. So the answer is EOQ is equal to 2 into 800 into 100 divided by 2 to the whole square root. So EOQ is equals to 200 units. I end my this part here, and then in the next part we'll go to purchase of material.